My name is Pedro Serafim and I'm responsible for forest certification and biodiversity at Altri. Responsible sourcing is one of our major challenges for a forestry industry like Altri. FSC works as a main tool to support our suppliers to meet the legal requirements and share the added value of forest certification. Forest management is a complex and challenging task that is connected directly to the ecosystem services that are relevant for the society. Biodiversity and conservation values are the core of the FSC standard. At Altri, we are committed at the highest level with our long-term strategy of biodiversity, Altri Diversity, to achieve the challenges of the European forests today. In our opinion, FSC must continue to support the value of a responsible forest management. The latest industry trends, like for example the responsible sourcing of fiber, shows that FSC must continue with this mission and can rely on companies like Altri to accomplish the mission and vision of FSC, Forest for All, Forever.